Hello guys, welcome back to the show today. So today we will be doing something different. This is explained part 5 and this is chemical bonding in science. So first of all, let me just tell you there are 4 types of bonds which we will be studying today. The first type of bond is called the ionic bond. In the ionic bond, the complete transfer of electrons takes place. That is, if there is an atom, let's say 2 atoms. So there are 2 atoms, and in that there are 2 electrons. Let's take valence electrons because they are in the complete shell, which is the outermost shell of an atom. So these 2 electrons, where one atom agrees to give its valence electron to the other to attain the octet stability. What is octet stability? The octet stability is where the atom contains the nearest noble gas configuration. For example, if you take sodium chloride, sodium has to lose one atom to get neon configuration, while chlorine has to attain one atom to reach helium configuration. So they both transfer the electron from one to the other, where ionic bond takes place. Ionic bond is also known as electrovalent bond. Now there is the next bond called the covalent bond. Now the covalent bond is a different type of bond where sharing of electrons takes place. Now between oxygen atoms, 2 oxygen atoms, one oxygen atom agrees to give the one electron to another oxygen atom, while another oxygen atom agrees to give the same electron to this. So they both bond together and are stuck together, thereby forming O2 or the oxygen molecule, and that is covalent bond, where they only share the electrons and no complete transfer takes place. So they both reach the octet stability or the octet rule. Now next type of bond is the hydrogen bond. Now the hydrogen bond takes place, now there is just the formula in the board. So the hydrogen bond takes place between the electronegative atom and hydrogen. So let's say electronegative atom and an electropositive atom like hydrogen. In this case, we are taking the example of oxygen, that is water molecule. So oxygen is the electronegative molecule or the atom, while hydrogen is the electropositive molecule, atom. So here, if you see this diagram here, oxygen and hydrogen. So this forms the water molecule. So this HOH or OHH is the oxygen molecule, and in between two water molecules you get the hydrogen bond. So electronegative plus electropositive produces a hydrogen bond. So the metallic bond is not yet there in my this year. Probably in my next videos I'll be telling that to you, but the minimal so that I know about metallic bond is that it takes place in between 2 metallic ions, for example iron and iron. So the metallic bond takes place in between 2 metallic compounds. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.